Okay, that was a long run. Hey, Vinny, you know Batman's out there, Gotham. You're over here now. Dude, I ran 3 blocks. You know how long that is? I don't care. Get over here before Batman sees you. Okay, I'll get there. Where is Penguin? Why don't you fight me like a real man? Sneak up on me like that. Besides, I ain't telling you anything. Do you know what they do? Take this. Come on, dude. I ain't telling you anything, man. Tell me where he is. Tell me where Penguin is now. Okay, I'll tell you. He's at the docks, man. I promise you. I don't know anything more. And he has a bunch of guys with him. Thank you.